In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate images in CapCut. Now, if you want to give this image motion, then we have to go ahead and animate it. To do so, just go ahead and tap on the image, and then you will see now we have an animation option here. So if you go ahead and tap on animations, we shall have quite a number of options that you can choose from, both free and pro. For instance, we can decide to zoom it out. We can also decide to fade it in. We can also apply these RGB, and you can also choose from other options such as out and compo option. So if you select compo, you can see we have quite a number of styles that we can also apply. For instance, if we choose spin rise, look at that. Great. You can also choose these pirates, and look at that. So go on and play around with any animation that you so wish. And once you are done, go ahead and tap on this tick and it will be applied. And now from here, if you go ahead and play it, you will see your image will be animated. And now you realize that we shall have a CapCut ending here at the end. We can go ahead and also delete it if you don't want it. Now, if you go ahead and play it, you can see the animation is successful. So that's how you add animation on your images in CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.